Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Sprout Social for approvals and content calendars, full guide step by step clearly. To download Sprout Social, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Sprout Social and press enter. Click on the official Sprout Social website link from the search results. Once on the website, look for the Get Started or Free Trial button. Click on that button to proceed to the sign up page. You may need to enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to provide any additional required information. After completing the sign-up process, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox and open the confirmation message from Sprout Social. Click the link within the email to verify your account. Return to the Sprout Social website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Content tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Content tab to access content planning features. To create a content calendar, select Publishing from the drop-down. This will allow you to view and manage all scheduled posts. To request approvals for your content, click on the post you wish to submit. Use the options provided to add collaborators and set approval workflows. Once your content is ready, select the option to send it for approval. You'll receive notifications as collaborators review and approve your submissions. Ensure you check for updates regularly to keep your content on track. To download the Sprout Social mobile app, go to your device's App Store. Search for Sprout Social in the App Store. Select the app and tap the Download or Install button. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. Log in with the same credentials you used on the website. You are now ready to manage approvals and content calendars directly from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.